So what you're seeing here is a DataMan 374 with the integrated torchlight. The integrated torchlight has a built-in distance sensor as well as a high-speed liquid lens. So what this demo is showing off is our ability to read the code both near and far over the course of a travel at high speed. We're getting the distance feedback from that sensor, we're putting it into the liquid lens, and we're adjusting on the fly and reading the code both near and far and everywhere in between. So with this new torchlight, when you get a good read, a green light flashes and allows the operator to know instantly that they've got a good read and they can move on in their process. The new torchlight also has a new built-in laser aimer. The laser aimer is a huge step up from the previous technology. It really allows the operator to see what the field of view of the DataMan is. It allows them to present the part a little more reliably. It also helps for setup as well. So when you're setting up the DataMan, you've got a laser aimer, projects a laser onto the part and allows you to set it up very fast. Think of a handheld presentation application where a customer presents a part to the DataMan with their hand, and the code could be very close to the DataMan or it could be far away depending on the operator and how they're comfortable presenting it. With this technology, we'll be able to utilize the distance sensor, get that feedback, focus on the fly, and read the code without any problem.